Hi, the Do-It-Yourself Fox is here and welcome to my tutorial channel. Today I'll be building this beautiful outdoor fireplace. For this garden fireplace I'm using granite stones that I already have at my home. I've decided that the outer diameter of the circle will be 1.2 meters and I will mark a circle with a radius of 60 centimeters on the lawn. To do this, I put a rod into the ground and mark the circle with a 60 centimeters long rope, as you can see here in the video. Now I dig the circle out using a spade. Here I remove the lawn and soil about 20 to 25 centimeters deep and I make sure that the hole is nice and even at the bottom. With cement and gravel, I mix a mortar that will be used to set the stones in later. I choose a ratio of 5:1. If the concrete is a greenish dark gray, then it has the right mixing ratio. The granite stones are now placed in the concrete a little bit higher than the edge of the lawn. Afterwards, I check with the spirit level to make sure I put the stones into the mortar evenly. Once the rows are set, so you can smoothen the remaining concrete out with a trowel. For grouting we need mortar again. I've chosen a low-cost concrete. There's also a special grouting mortar that can be used, but it is rather expensive and will probably crack when exposed to heat. The mixture should not be too moist so that you can easily sweep it off the stones again. For drainage, I built a kind of drainage shaft with things I already had at home. There are much more professional ways to drain the fireplace, but they all have a similar principle. The water can run off through the pebbles and seep into the ground. It is best to cover the top of the pipe with a kind of fleece so that dirt not gradually wash into the pebbles. The fireplace is now ready, but you should let it harden for at least a week before using it for the first time. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you can soon enjoy your own fireplace too. It was your DIY Fox here on YouTube.